In this example, we're asked to find the center and radius of an equation of a circle below: x plus 11 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 2. So recall that when you want to write or identify the center when given an equation, all you have to do is take the x and y values and write them as their opposite, any value other than 0. So here we see that x is with positive 11. So when we write x in center form, our x value would be the very opposite, which is negative 11. For our y value, y is with negative 1. So when we write it in center form, it would be the very opposite, which was positive 1. Now, if you were to plug it back into the equation of the circle form, you'll see that negative 11, but with a negative in front of it, becomes positive 11. So again, our center is going to be at negative 11 and 1. Now, when you want to find the radius, all you have to do is look to the right of the equation of the circle form. So r squared equals 2. And to solve that equation, you'll have to take the square root of each side. And what you would have is r equals the square root of 2. Now you can't remove 2 from the radical symbol because that is not a perfect square root. So the answer is simply our radius is square root of 2. Now you can also write that in decimal form. All you have to do is just simply get your calculator and type in square root of 2, and you can write it in decimal form. So if I were to write that, for example, in decimal form and type on the calculator square root of 2, it's going to give me an approximate value of 1.41. So you can write it as a radical or you can write it as a decimal. Either is acceptable.